Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add virtual and downloadable products to your website. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to head over and add a new product, or you can also just tinker it on the product you have already created. For this one, let's head over and click on this Add New. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here the product editor of WordPress itself. So here's our product. So for example, we are actually selling an ebook about kids. So for example, it will be our product. And on common knowledge, ebook is a virtual and downloadable product and it is not shipped. So you can head over and then put in here your description, the likes. Also, you can add in here this. So from in there, you can see this product data. And in here, just beside that, you can see this virtual downloadable. So you can click on this right here and also click on this right here. And as you can see, it has made the shipping option removed from this. So let me try again to actually click on that. As you can see, shipping has been added. Now, when you click on this virtual, as you can see, shipping has been removed. So you can just head over and then put in here this right here. Just put in here the schedule and also the file that you want added. So let's just head over and name this file. So let's name this ebook. And then you can just put in here this file URL. You can also choose on the file that you have from there. So what you can do in this case is let's head over and choose from this file that we have. Also have the option to add a file from in there if you want to add two files that will be purchased on your product. So I have in here this file, so let's just head over and get this right here. And then put the file URL from in there. And then you can also allow in here the number of downloads that you will allow as well as this one. And you can also put in here some quantity rules like a maximum allowed quantity for this product and also in here the minimum and all of that. You can also use in here a gift card and put in here short product description. Once you're done with that, head over and click on this publish option. And then from in there, it should be able to be published. So once you're done publishing this particular product, it should be able to be available to your store. So you can head over and view this product right here if you want to see what it looks like. So let's try to view this product in order to see this. So here's our product right here. I don't actually add in here an image. I didn't add an image, so there's no image right here. But you can head over and add this to your cart from in there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.